If you've got a larger board with a lot of cards, it might be helpful to see what's been done on the board most recently. So Cardsmith now gives you a timeline of board activity. When you're displaying the board you want, go to the icons on the upper right of the screen and look for that little arrow in the square. When you click on the arrow, you'll see all the activity that's happened since the board was created, no matter who initiated it. Notice here we have logged activity from at least 2 different team members sharing this board. The board activity window displays descriptions of changes to the content of cards, the creation or deletion of cards, and anything to do with links. Activity that won't be shown here is changing your view of the board or moving the cards around. Browsing board activity gives you an easy, structured way to know how other contributors on your team have been working with the board content. Once you've seen the activity in the list, you can click on it to open the associated card. The only exception to this, of course, would be if the card is marked as deleted, because then you know it's gone.